Hey, rolling the holy flyers sometime. Bitch, you know we gonna take out just like a G.
Damn, Nico slamming shit.
My neck on milk, that bitch, I stab my wrist on, cuff that bitch on dope. Pretty white bitch, she with me, her eyes, the same color my weed. Every time I get up on the mic, I speak a hair flow. My teeth fitting on concrete, real metal, give him a 30, I get dirty, Roxy 30, give him the blue. Now you see me, now you don't, LSD, hallucination. Acid bullets in the Glock, hoodie, injury on my bandana, Tony Montana, we rock out, laying in the bush, that had me itching like a nigga just took him a perk. I said cold on, gon' hear the hurt, I be sipping on this syrup, literally wildin'. My syrup the same color my weed, white be with me, her eyes the same color of my weed. Ay, my money blue just like a Zan. Bitch, my time now, I'm not worried about who up next. Codeine got a nigga dreaming. Codeine got a nigga dreaming. These niggas be talking, these niggas ain't with it. These niggas really the same color my weed. You look me in my eyes when you approach me. Real nigga. Approach me. Let me get back to the motherfucking topic. Poppin' these narcotics, I'm serving the city. Ay, young nigga tryna get it. I'm wine clean, my wine dirty like a millionaire. I'm a young nigga, never had shit, so I'm tryna go and be me a millionaire. These niggas be talking but don't wanna take it. They really helping no bitch gon' be the mayor. I'm talking about moving no motherfucking king. I'm not me go, but I got them keys to the streets. I'm a young fly nigga, no loose. Ay, I step out in public, you know I be shining. Yeah, my name buzzing, you know I be grinding. Ain't full with niggas, but niggas always wanna come and fuck up the timing. But down the road, so it's perfect timing. Remember the day they said I was grinding. Look at me now, shining bright like a motherfucking star. I ain't gotta say my name, they know who we are. I'm stepping designer. I take a beat somewhere that you never find us. My time to decline it. Bitch, I like diamonds. I like making noise in the cat. For a nigga play, we knocking shit back. I'm talking about hit this shit back with the Uzi, make it revert. Drop top.